How can an NRI transfer his money from NRO account to abroad? Industry expert Mr. Gopal will explain the process behind this now.
If you have money in your NRO account, the first thing is law doesn't restrict you to remit the money to abroad. So the only question is it a tax paid money? There are two aspects to it. For example, if you have sent money from abroad to India and again you are bringing it back, you need to give the proof for it. For example, you bought a property in India by remitting 1 crore foreign currency or in equivalent dirhams you have transferred to India and you bought a property. Then you sold the property, 1 crore INR property, you sold for 2.5 crores. And the 2.5 crores is now there in your NRO account. Can you remit the 2.5 crores equivalent dirhams to Dubai? Answer is step 1. Since 1 crore forex has come inside, to the extent of forex, you can remit outside India. For the remainder 1.5 crore, which is your surplus, which is your gain, the capital gains on that have to be worked out. And then if the tax has been paid, then the proof has to be submitted and the chartered accountant certificate in form number 15 CA and CB has to be submitted. And based on that, the remainder 1.5 minus the tax amount that has been paid can also be remitted abroad.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.